Hi, good morning everyone. It's 6 a.m. in the morning in Coimbatore and walking all the way to the yogi. So a few of us have decided to do our sun salutations, facing the morning sun. Lovely company wants to do Surya Namaskars. He's feeling the energy with us. Take a break, everyone. See, they all share the energy. Alright? We guys are lucky that we can do the sun salutations. Unfortunately, this little one has to be a spectator. But we're so happy that he's joining us today. Alright, sharing this energy, this bond with us. So we must be connected in ways which we cannot even comprehend. With gratitude to the power, Shiva, and the Shakti, Shiva. Final one with gratitude, deep inner awareness. Come on. All the way up. Oh. Namaskar, Asana. 108.